Join me as I dive into the challenge of tracking my sleep for a week and see how it impacts my mental health. Sleep is one of the most crucial aspects of our overall well-being, and yet it's often overlooked. We're gonna talk about how sleep affects our mental health and why it's essential to prioritize it. When we don't get enough sleep or have poor sleep quality, it can lead to a host of mental health issues. Anxiety is a big one. Lack of sleep can amplify feelings of worry and fear, making it harder to manage those emotions. Depression is another common consequence of poor sleep. It can exacerbate symptoms like low mood, fatigue, and a lack of motivation. And then there's cognitive impairment. Sleep deprivation can affect our concentration, memory, and decision-making skills, making it harder to function in our daily lives. On top of that, chronic sleep deprivation can even trigger psychotic episodes in people who are already prone to them. Sleep disorders like insomnia, sleep apnea, and restless leg syndrome can also contribute to these issues. Insomnia, for example, can disrupt our sleep patterns, leading to difficulty falling asleep, staying asleep, or both. Sleep apnea, on the other hand, can cause fatigue, mood disturbances, and even cardiovascular problems. And restless leg syndrome can disrupt our sleep due to uncomfortable sensations in our legs. All these sleep-related problems can have a significant impact on our mental health, and it's essential to take them seriously. When we sleep, our brain goes through different stages, including REM, i.e. rapid eye movement, and non-REM sleep. During REM sleep, our brain is active and dreams occur, while non-REM sleep is when our body repairs and regenerates tissues. The sleep cycle typically lasts around 90 to 120 minutes, and we need to go through multiple cycles to feel rested. The science behind sleep and mental health is fascinating. Research suggests that sleep helps to regulate our emotions, and that lack of sleep can disrupt this process. When we're well rested, our brain is better equipped to handle stress and negative emotions. On the other hand, sleep deprivation can lead to increased emotional reactivity, making us more prone to anxiety and depression. Did you know that sleep plays a critical role in the consolidation of memories? When we sleep, our brain processes and strengthens memories, transferring them from short-term to long-term storage. This is why sleep is essential for learning and memory formation. I want to share a remarkable story that highlights the dramatic effects of sleep improvement on mental health outcomes. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Psychology found that when adults with depression increased their sleep quality, they experienced significant improvements in their symptoms. In fact, 73% of participants reported a 50% reduction in depressive symptoms after just a few weeks of sleep therapy. It's incredible to see how something as simple as sleep can have such a profound impact on our mental health. When we prioritize sleep, we're giving our brain and body the opportunity to function at their best. I want to leave you with a challenge today. Take control of your sleep habits and see how it affects your mental health. Whether it's establishing a consistent sleep schedule, creating a relaxing bedtime routine, or avoiding screens before bed, every small change can add up. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments. What are your sleep habits like, and how do you think they impact your mental health? Don't forget to check out my other videos on mental health and wellness, and I'll see you in the next one.